In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and master an email marketing automation workflow using Mailerlite. As you may know, email marketing is a powerful tool for engaging with your audience and promoting your brand. Today, we'll walk through the steps on Mailerlite to set up an effective email campaign that can help you connect with your subscribers and drive results. First, let's head over to the Mailerlite website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to mailerlite.com, where you'll find options to either sign up or log in. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right of the screen. Once you're on the login page, you'll notice the option to sign in with Google. This can make the process faster and easier if you have your Google account integrated with Mailerlite. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. It's quite user-friendly, designed to make campaign management a breeze. Next, you'll want to click on the Campaigns tab. This will bring you to a section where you can manage or create your email campaigns. Here, you'll see the Create Campaign button. Give it a click to start a new campaign. You'll have different types of campaigns to choose from, and for this tutorial, we will select Regular Campaign. This is ideal for straightforward email marketing initiatives. Once selected, you'll be prompted to name your campaign. Choosing a name that clearly identifies your campaign will make it easier to manage later. Next on the list is typing in the subject of your email, which is crucial as it's the first thing your subscribers will see. A clear and engaging subject line can greatly enhance your open rates. With those details filled in, it's time to select your recipients. Click on the Recipients tab and from there tap on All Active Subscribers to ensure you're reaching everyone in your list. Confirm your choice by clicking Select. Moving forward, click on Next Content to start building the content of your email. Here, Mailerlite offers a convenient template gallery that provides a range of pre-designed templates. Select one that suits the style and message of your campaign. Once you've picked a template, click Choose to proceed. You have the option to edit the template to better align with your brand and message, and when you're satisfied with the design, click Done Editing. Finally, with everything in place, it's time to send your campaign. Find the Send button and initiate the send process, and there you have it. Your Mailerlite email campaign is all set and on its way to your subscribers. I hope this tutorial has been insightful and helpful in setting up your email marketing automation workflow with Mailerlite. Remember, consistent engagement and quality content are key to successful email marketing. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy emailing.